So guys, we got here a bit late, so we're being walked to our room. So this is ever if you come here and you're coming at night, you know, you're coming off work and you're leaving after 5, or you're coming from the airport and you had a late flight. This is what you're gonna be greeted with. I cannot wait to show you guys what it looks like tomorrow, because this place is just so beautiful, and it's night. It's night, and I feel like I'm in a forest. I feel like I'm in a, you know, a private oasis. The same thing I said. Thank you.
Welcome to Ocean Cliff. Thank you, Billy. It's the ropes for me.
Right? 2 ropes.
Yeah.
Nice.
But we're gonna have to show you guys a room tour tomorrow and a tour of the property, because we're just getting here and it's early.
Yep. But I can't wait to open this up.
Wow, I didn't see that.
Open this up and get the full experience. Nice. Look at patio.
Very cute.
Isn't it picture worthy? We're getting some pictures here.
Yeah, Billy, we're gonna
Billy, you'll be taking some pictures for us tomorrow, right?
I love how down you are for the.
Wait, which one is? Oh yeah, you know.
No bathroom.
Oh, this is the bathroom. Again, guys, tomorrow you're gonna get the cinematic view. A step down tub.
We want to do some drone stuff tomorrow, okay, Billy?
Yeah.
Show you how to turn on the show.
Oh.
So you pull up.
Oh, to get the shot right.
Oh, thank you, because sometimes they just leave us to our own devices and we're wondering, how does it work? Yeah, we have a nice TV.
Very cute, Billy. I love
It's
it.
full length mirror.
I love the fact that you guys gave us masks.
You gave mask? Mask and hand sanitizer.
But I love the mask especially because they give you sanitizer but no mask.
Thank you.
Not the branded one.
That's a lot of masks. This is enough for our whole stay. They have Ocean Cliff branded water.
Yeah.
Watch here, guys. Ocean Cliff. Full experience. This is as you would be experiencing it yourself.
Only one device? So, no, because I'm going to give her.
Alright guys, so here we are at the restaurant. We're trying to get something really quickly, very festive, really quickly to eat as we're coming all the way from Kingston. So, wow, it's so romantic. I can't wait to get some nice B-roll for you guys tomorrow. It's really beautiful. This is nice. Hi, hello. Vlog. I really wanted to put a vlog up on the 9th, guys, but I was driving all day. Now I'm explaining to them why I missed a day.
Southern California.
This is really pretty.
Southern California. Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you.
Guys, so this is our meal.
Wait, no, I can't see the scene.
This is our meal. I am a, you know guys, you know me, fried chicken.
I got fried chicken, juice cleanse is over, period.
My rice actually tumbled over a little bit, but as you can see, there's a really cute message in here that says enjoy. And then here are the fries. These are the sweet potato fries? Yes. Oh, nice. Thank you. And this is everything we're doing.
Thinking about you, thinking about you.
our way to breakfast. We're like 5 minutes short of breakfast, but we'll make it.
We'll make it.
Let me show you what we are walking through. You can make up your mind for yourself if this isn't an oasis, a tropical luxury oasis. I hope you liked the drone footage in the beginning of the video. I'm gonna be putting them all throughout the video, so let me know which drone clip was your favorite, and if you got a chance to come to this hotel, would you take it? Make sure you check out my description box to check out the link for Gustavo's. Have a great discount on this beautiful hotel, Ocean Cliff in Negril. Check it out. I'll also pop it up on the screen right now so you can see what's included in the Gustavo's deal. So make sure you go down, like I said, in the description box, get those tickets, get those reservations before anybody else scoops them up. I'm gonna do my best to show you an experience of, you know, what you could be doing when you come here, and do my best to show you the hotel. And just to reiterate, please go check the description box. The link will be there. Don't be shy. Bye guys. Guys, this is what we were seeing last night, but you couldn't really see it. You couldn't really see it. It's a beautiful, everything is looking. The kitchen and our beautiful view. Is that the breakfast menu? She's coming with it? Okay. Oh, yes. That would be nice. Anyway, he's going to sit us outside. There's a beach to the right. So later I'll show you guys what that's looking like. So that's what I think is really cool about this hotel, is that you have the cliffs that you can jump off of, but you also have a beach that you can lay and chill by. So it's a beach. You can come and lay out here. And the cliffs. Nice bar. This is the bar that we were sitting at, and this is actually our exact table from last night, so everything in the daytime. Yeah, I saw that opening, so even on that side, we're heading on our way to 7 Mile Beach, that area. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me and stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so we're here at the boardwalk. It is on the 7 Mile strip, but just across the road from the beach properties. So I'm gonna go check out where I'm on a showroom, and then we're also gonna buy something from Chili Pops, because I know a couple of you were saying that that would be interesting to see. The nice of the plaza, they have some openings, but yeah.
Hi, how can I help you today?
Hello.
Some pieces. You can tell Rhea that it's Ashley. she's here. One second. I need to stick off the line now.
Guys, this is what downstairs is looking like. The lighting from this way is much better. So there is the chili pops that we're gonna check out. I just like their Instagram and I like that they have the different flavors, but music is playing so I won't be able to talk after this point. Officially done chili pops. Tick that off my Negril chill pops Negril list. I still have some more things. I still want to go to cliff diving, so I'm probably just gonna do that at the hotel when I get back. And then no thank you. And then I'm not quite sure, but we're heading back to the hotel now. Definitely want to get 7 Mile Beach with a drone, get some bird eye view shots for you guys. And yeah. We're gonna go take some pictures, some content pictures for Ocean Cliff and for Gustazo's. So I keep reiterating it, please go and check the description box for the link to Gustazo's Ocean Cliff promotion that they have going on. Make sure you check that out. And yeah, we're gonna take pictures now, so see you. Guys, we're heading out to chill by the pool and the sunset is looking so beautiful. So I'm gonna try my best to catch some drone shots really quickly for you all, so you can just see how amazing that is. You can already see on the glow in this video. Let me get it as it's going down, because this is unbelievable. Hold on, Ashley. Nah, this is beautiful. I reached a max altitude, so I have to kind of wait for the GPS to pick up.
Yeah.
Ah, it's so beautiful! Guys, we're gonna cue the drone shots now. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah. tilt it. You're gonna use your index finger, your pointing finger, and that's where you're gonna brace it under, up.
Ooh, period.
Guys, Ashley and I are about to go down to the strip. We're gonna go to, what's the location called?
Italian cafe.
Italian cafe and Chances. So well, I'm gonna show you what Negril nightlife looks like. Very casual, very calm. It's so dark, so I'm walking into the light now. You're about to see me, but I will be showing you what Negril nightlife look like. I'm excited because normally when I come here, I mean, I've been on the Negril nightlife scene a couple times.
Let's hope there's actual nightlife. There should be, but we don't know.
We don't know. Yeah, all right, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys when I see you.
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay guys, so this is what the nightlife in Negril is looking like. If you're familiar with the Negril nightlife, please drop a comment down below. Let me know if you're more familiar with like a calm nightlife. Let me know what your nightlife schedule is like. Do you like going out? Do you like staying home? Do you like chilling with friends? Just drop a comment down below and let me know. And if you've gotten this far, big up yourself, and I'll see you when I see you.
Purchase your tracks today. 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 Purchase your tracks today.
No fear, no worry, no bad energy, no negative vibes.
Alright guys, it's on to the next function. DJ, big up yourself, cause you know where I do with it, yeah?
Yeah. Okay. Ooh, big up yourself too.
I know.
Yeah.
Alright guys, it's time to go home. But I'm just trying to show you the realistic life of Negril. And this is a realistic life. You get me? This is what people in Negril are doing. And if you were to move to Negril, this is how lit Negril gets. So
Outside, babe. Outside.
Outside, outside.
Hey, yard, brother. They got them in the front for some block corridor. Shoot up your bun too. I like your camera. Walking out here.
Good morning, guys. So we're getting ready to take some content pictures, and we're showing luxury. We're showing a luxury. Yes, I have a mask on. Yes, I look crazy, but it's a luxury. Yesterday night when we were at the pool, a couple had asked us how. Oh, you remember? They booked, guys. So make sure you book. You don't want to take too long to book because these rooms are gonna go fast. I mean, can you imagine 2 nights, 3 days, 2 people, $169 for the whole thing, including breakfast? Yeah, don't take too long to book. I'm gonna have to pop up the dates because there's a time frame for when you can book. I don't want you to miss out, so I'm gonna pop up the dates down below, but we're going to take some content pictures now. Stay tuned for those. I'm gonna pop up all the pictures that we've been taking on the screen just so you can have an idea of the magic that goes behind everything that we do. But we're taking these pictures for Instagram, so the company can have pictures, so Gustavo's can have pictures and reels and stories. Yeah. There's my camera right next to the trolley. All right, guys. Alright guys, so we're checking out now. Just packed up the car with everything. This trip was amazing. The rooms were amazing, the service was amazing, nicest set of people. And what I think is also amazing, I saw other Jamaicans here. So if you are a local, come. This place is nice. They treat you just as nice as they treat the tourists. So it's not a turn off or anything. It's amazing. And plus you're in one of the central locations. It's so easy for you to get to 7 Mile Beach, and it's so easy for you to go to other places on West End. It's so easy, the nightlife. So make sure you check that out. Ashley's calling me. I'm gonna put on my mask, but yeah. Alright guys, so we've checked out of the hotel. It was amazing because the general manager sat down and talked with us, and I thought it was very different and it was very nice. And she asked us all of our perspectives, how we enjoyed the time. She talked about being partners with Gustavo's, and she also talked about, you know, like things that they can do better, which you don't normally get that experience. So it was very, very nice.
It looks so good. I had spoken to Miss Manningham and not the thong. It's so nice. I'm not sure what would be appropriate for a fashion show with kids.
Guys, that's mine.
Yeah, so somebody that have to go and miss shot would have to come and look at them and see.
Guys, my trip was so short. We just came to 7 Mile to get some drone shots, but we have to head on the road now. Like, we have to reach Mobe by 2:30. Another time I'll come back and I'll do all the fun things that you guys wanted me to do. But until now, I just hope you enjoy the shots as they are, and I will see you when I see you.